Cleaning tips for public spaces. All the people inside a hospital use the same public spaces. Therefore, it is very important to keep these public spaces clean and disinfected during an outbreak. In this session, we will see some important safety and hygiene practices to be followed by specific groups working in the hospital. First, let us see some of the important practices to be followed every half an hour by the cleaning staff. Lift buttons. The lift buttons should be sprayed with disinfectant on the panel and wiped down. Handrails for stairs. The handrails of the stairs should be sprayed with the disinfectant and wiped thoroughly on all sides from time to time. Nursing station countertops. The nursing station countertops should be sprayed with the disinfectant and wiped fully. Cafeteria tables and chairs. The tables and chairs in the cafeteria should be disinfected and wiped fully. While wiping the chair, wipe down the chair back and other areas that have been used to move the chair. Washroom. Spray and wipe the bathroom rails, door handles and knobs. Wash the wash basin tap knobs and mobility handles with soap and water. After washing, pour a bit of soap on the tap and leave it. Next, let us see some of the cleaning practices to be followed by nursing or medical staff of a hospital. Nursing station computers and keyboards. Spray the sanitizer on the computer keyboard and screen and wipe it down. Nursing station internal work surfaces. All internal surfaces inside the nursing station counter where we rest our elbows should be sprayed and wiped down. Intercom handsets and buttons. The intercom handsets are used by many people and hence are prone to spread the virus. It is important to spray the disinfectant on the entire handset and wipe it. Additionally, spray the disinfectant on the buttons and surrounding areas and wipe thoroughly. Frequently handled files and patient record files under each staff nurse. Spray and wipe each file after it is handed back to the nursing station. Also, don't forget to disinfect your hands when done. Personal mobile phones and laptops. Spray and wipe down your personal mobile phones and laptops. Personal books. Spray and wipe down the covers of books. If possible, please use clean gloves while handling books. Personal stethoscopes, scissors, chargers and pens. All these items should be sprayed and wiped down or washed with soap and water as needed. Keep one stethoscope in each patient's room for visiting doctors. Make sure they do not use their own equipment. Sanitize the stethoscope before you leave the room. And lastly, remember to sanitize your hands after touching any equipment. Now, let us see some of the cleaning practices to be followed by cafeteria staff. Always clean tables with soap and water. Do not use a wiper to clean the tables. Use a cloth to wipe down the table. Wash the cloth used to wipe down tables every half an hour with soap and water. Wash taps every 10 minutes with soap and water. Pour a bit of soap on the tap and leave it. Clean used vessel tray edges every 10 minutes with soap and water. Pour some soap on the edge of the tray and leave it. We hope you will now be more careful and take all necessary precautions to protect yourself from infections.